video we're going to be going over some of the holds that you might find in your swimming lessons. I will show you the holds above and then in the water and explain each one as we go.
First is the basic safety hold.
Palm around, baby, nice and close to your chest. This is what it looks like in the water.
Next we have the seat hold.
Same as before, just place your hand on the baby's bottom just for a little bit of extra support. This is what it looks like in the water.
Next is the front hold.
This one is really nice to have eye contact with your little one. It's a bit like reading a book. You have your arms underneath their shoulders and you can support their head if they're not able to hold it just yet with your thumbs. Have them in the water. Oh, well done. And then you can maintain eye contact and look at them whilst they're swimming.
Next are the flip-flops.
These ones are really great for having some fun. Starting off on our fronts, just your arm underneath, baby. Place your hand on their back, flip them over into their back, and then back onto their back again. Bless you.
Next is the side hold.
This one allows baby a little bit more movement by themselves. Supporting underneath their arms again and you standing to the side just allows them to move their arms and legs a little bit more by themselves as they swim.
Next is the little harbour.
The little harbour hold looks a bit like the front of a boat. You have your hands together and have your arms underneath their armpits. This allows them greater movement in their arms and their legs, almost as if like they're swimming by themselves with very little support.
Next are the seat throws.
Seat throws are a good way to have fun. We use these when we sing Zoom to the Moon, or just a way to do some splashing. Basic seat hold, hand underneath their bum, hand around their chest, and we're going to go up in the air and a big splash back down again.
Next are the swishes.
So we do lots of swishes in our lessons. You can do them on your front or your back. Just place your arms underneath little one, and we do swishes side to side or on our backs.
Next we have the arm swings.
Oh, these ones are good ones. Holding on to baby's hands like this, making sure that their shoulders are in the water to be supported. We can do nice big figures of 8 or swishes side to side.
And we have the finger holds.
This one is very, very similar. You just holding on to their hands, so very little support, as long as baby's got a good grip for this one.
Now on to floating.
We're going to lay down on our backs, and we're going to do some floating. You can support with your heads, their head on your shoulder, or if they're able to float a bit more by themselves, you can just place your hand underneath their head to do some floating, and as they get used to it to do it by themselves, you can let go and let them float by themselves.
Now we have the walk float.
Staying in the same position, just adding a walking, so you can keep underneath their head, like this, with your hand underneath their head, or just holding under their shoulders, and you just add a walking to the float. Switches are optional.
Next is the bobbing float.
Again, in the same position, but we can just add some up and down movement. These ones are really nice at the end of a lesson when baby's getting a little bit sleepy, because you can keep them nice and close to you and nice and relaxed. And just bob up and down in the water.
And finally we have the adult float.
Oh, we need a prop for this one. With a noodle going underneath your armpits this